video how I wired in a programmable door chime into my 2005 Nissan Frontier to get power and have it operate just like the original chime, where the door has to be open and the key has to be in for the chime to work. I'll show you where I got the power from. You go under the dash, wire as round as you need. This connector right here, there's 12 volts coming in through a yellow wire, goes to the key, and then back out. On this side, both wires are the same color. They're a red with a white stripe. So you take the one that would lead to the black wire, and this will be a switched 12 volt that's only on when the key is on, and you run that to the positive of the chime. Then you need your switched ground, which is what this switch does. It switches on and off of ground, and you pull off the sill plate. Find this group of wires, get it open. Inside is a sky blue wire. That is the switched ground. So run that to the ground on the chime. And if you wanted to have the chime work anytime the door is open instead of when the key was open, you could take that yellow side of the switch, which is a constant 12 volt, not a switch 12 volt, and then it would work anytime you had the door open, because the only switch would be the door switch. So, pretty simple.